Hello and welcome back. Let's finish off this last example. So Diana and Kim are sisters. One morning, Diana left for school ahead of Kim, walking at 60 meters a minute. Kim left home when Diana had already traveled 800 meters. So let's look at time over here, this chart. So at time 0, they both haven't left the house. Okay. So Diana left for school 60 meters per minute. So what do we want to go up by? Go up by fives. So time. So 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20, and 25. So let's just deal with Diana. She's 60 meters a minute. Going up by fives. So 5 minutes times 60. So she's gone 300 meters. And that's going to be the growth rate. So every 5 minutes, she's going to go up by 300. So 600, 900, 1200, 1500 meters. All right, Kim. Kim left home when Diana had already traveled 800 meters. All right, so the 800 meters is not there. The school is 2.2 kilometers away from their house. Can Kim catch up to Diana before she gets to school if she jogs at 100 meters per minute? I'm not going to worry about, I'm going to look at this a little bit differently. All right. So let's just pretend, let's do Kim separate. So I'm going to start a new column. I don't know how long Kim has been jogging. So for her time 0, she starts at 0, and she's going to go every 5 minutes. Oops. She's going to go by fives. She's going 100 meters a minute. So that means that she's doing 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. And 2,500. So I'm going to solve this graphically. Okay, so on this graph, and I know it's not very big, so you're going to have to bear with me here. Let's go every, it doesn't matter. Let's go every third square is 5. I don't know why I'm picking 3. Let's go, is it enough for 5? 1, 2, 3. Let's go every 5 squares. So each square is a minute. 1, 5, 6, 10. You like how you hear me counting out loud? All right, so every square is a minute, so time in minutes. Okay, here's distance. So distance in meters. Let's go, what do you want to do? Every square is 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 1,500, 2,000. All right, so let's see if this works. Diana, she started at 0, 0. So I'm going to graph her first. All right, so 0, 0. So green, I'm going to make Diana green. 0, 0, 5 and 300. 1, 2, 3. 10 and 600. 3. 15 and 1, 2, 3. 20 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. So there's Diana. Let's get her graphed first, so that's taken care of. So there is Diana. All right, so I'll put a D so I know what she is, where she is. Okay, now the second part, this is the tricky part, because it says Kim left home when Diana had already traveled 800 meters. All right, so we got to find out, where did Diana travel 800 meters? So on the y-axis, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's 800 right here. All right, if I go across and I go down, this is when Diana starts. All right, so she's at a distance of 0 at that point in time. Now, so really that turns out to be 10, 11, so at 13 seconds. So our chart here is a highlighter. Our chart here is based on Kim starting at time 0, but we really have to add 13 seconds on for each one. So we got to add, 13 minutes on for each one. But I know that she goes up by 500 every 5 minutes. So I'm just going to graph that. So let's do Diana. I got her in blue, or Kim, sorry, in blue. So I'm going to start. I'm going to pretend this is my 0, 0. This is my origin. And every 5 minutes, she's going to go up 500. So I count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, I didn't graph it right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to estimate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So you guys can extend that line out. I've got 4 lines here, so I'm just going to take a ruler and I'll draw through there. And there we go. So this is when they would be at the same distance. All right. Now, how far away is the school? 2.2 kilometers. Oh, of course. So I've kind of really messed that up by not having the right units or the right scale on the map. But 2.2 kilometers, that is 2,200 meters. So where is 2,200 meters? Well, here's our estimation skills. Again, I'm sorry about this. So, 22. Oh, it works out all right, sort of. Here's 2,200 right here. All right. So we look across. 2,200. All right. And if I extend those graphs out, who's going to get to school first? So who reaches the green line first? All right. So we said that that line is my Kim. Diana is this line. So whoever gets to the green line first wins. So in this particular situation, therefore, Kim passes Diana. All right. Here they are. They're the same distance at that point. See black. Right here. They're at the same distance right here. If Kim keeps going at her speed, she's going to blow right by Diana. So Kim passes Diana and gets to school first. So it's basically who got to the 2,200 meter line first. School first. All right. That one's a little bit trickier. It's a very tricky question because of the 800 meters. But really, you don't need to worry about that 800 meter delay. Just graph the 2 lines and find the information you want. So your key points here, the key information would have been when were they at the meet at the same time, who got to that green line first. So if you need some help, give the homework a try, see how it goes. If you have any questions, make sure you ask. And good luck.